At number 1, we have iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the best robot vacuum overall. Meet the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, the ultimate robot vacuum that truly raises the bar. After extensive use, it's clear why this model is labeled the best robot vacuum overall. First, its exceptional cleaning power shines on hard floors, successfully picking up 99% of debris. If you have hardwood floors, you'll appreciate its efficiency. On carpets, it still excels, automatically boosting suction for deeper cleanings. This model intelligently adapts to your home, making sure dirt doesn't stand a chance. Maintenance becomes a breeze with its self-emptying dirt disposal system. No more worrying about frequent emptying. Debris seals in the bag-lined dustbin. Additionally, self-cleaning roller brushes prevent the frustrating clogs that other models struggle with, making it ideal for homes with pets. Navigating through your space is also smoother thanks to its user-friendly app. You can customize cleaning schedules and designate no-go zones. Voice command recognition impresses, allowing you to simply say, "Clean under the dining room table," and watch it go. One aspect to keep in mind is the noise level. It tends to be a bit loud during operation. However, the robust cleaning performance largely outweighs this minor inconvenience. What I love most about the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is its ability to handle various surfaces seamlessly while keeping your home tidy. This robot mixes intelligence with performance, making it hard to beat. That's a wrap.